Do you know that rosemary flower helps also for hair growth? Yeah, that's what I want to show you today. They don't use rosemary only to produce perfumes, skincare products, and all the like. They also use it to produce hair products. Yeah, there are hair oils also. There are also rosemary hair oils in the market, but you can also do your own in the house. So I usually do my own rosemary water in the house. I do mine. You can also do the oil yourself, but today I want to show you what I do, what how I do my rosemary water. So with the rosemary water, I decided to use today the dried rosemary. Most of the times I used to use a fresh one, but where I used to get the fresh one, the place is closed. They have shut down the place. So I now use the dry one to make my rosemary water. So I measured my 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary, and also it was 2 tablespoons, sorry, 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary and a glass of water. That's a glass I have. That glass is like a 1 cup. These are our measuring cups now. It's like 1 cup of water. So you measure it and you mix it together. Then the next thing, you pour it into your pot to boil. But some people do it just like that, they don't boil it. But what I would tell you, recommend, is that when you boil it, it really brings out that juice. It brings out the real rosemary. You understand? You allow it to boil. I cannot really tell you how long it took me, but if I have to measure, it will not be more than 10 minutes. It will not be more than 6 minutes. The time I use in boiling, depending on your gas or the cooker you're using, it boils really really fast. So once it's boiled, you set it aside for 24 hours so that it can really concentrate and brings out that real juice of rosemary to help you. So after that 24 hours, you have to sieve it in this small colander. You know, this kind of sieve colander that is small, like this one that I'm using. This is what I usually use. You see me sieving it. You see how the dark brown the thing has. Yes, because I set it aside for 24 hours. I used 24. After 24 hours, I did this, and this is what I got. See how thick, the thick brownness of it. Yeah, that's the juice. Then now you can put it in your spray bottle. You must not use only this my type of spray bottle. Depending, if you don't have this spray bottle, you can still use your normal bottle. There, you put on your hand and apply it in your hair just like that. If you don't have the spray bottle, but there are other types of spray bottles, smaller ones, bigger ones. But this is what I will usually use. Then that's all about your rosemary water. You can now start using your rosemary water. But I want to tell you also how I use it. This is how I produce it. Now I want to tell you how I use it on my hair, because it has really helped my hair to grow faster. You understand? My hair has really really grown, and that of my daughter, and it's really thick. So after you have put it in this your spray bottle, the next thing, you need to apply it in your hair when you want to use, when you want to, it's like maybe you want to leave your hair like that. If somebody that you're leaving your 4C like that, you can use it daily or every 2 days. You understand? It doesn't have a limitation. You understand? You can use it as often as you can, because if you use it as often as you can, it is faster than some of us who use it, who that we plait our hair and leave it for like 3 weeks. But somebody who uses it like every 2 3 days is faster. It grows faster than some of us. You understand? Because it's always there in your hair. So that's what I did. I use it, I spray into my hair, then I massage my hair together. The next thing I do, I have to dry my hair with a dryer. There is this hand dryer that I bought, that is about 6 years ago, and it's still very good. This hand dryer is really really hot. You can use it also to straighten your hair. You know that I used to straighten this my 4C hair. I used to straighten it, but once you wash it, it will come back to normal. That's the good thing about our 4C hair. I can straighten my 4C hair, then you use it to go somewhere, and you think that I've relaxed it, whereas I've not relaxed it. Depending on the iron and the dry you have, this my dryer really helps it. And also I have this Babyliss machine that is also really hot. They are expensive but very good. It's not too expensive, because this hand dryer was on sale. The normal price was 90 euros, but I got it for 35 euros. You see the sales. You know me now, I like to check sales, I don't joke. So after, you see, that's the dry hand dryer that I use. Remington is really, really good. I can recommend it. If you want to buy a hand dryer, buy this type of Remington hand dryer. It's really, really, really good. If you want more information about it, just drop a comment in the comment section, and I will give you a response. I will give you the description of what you need to buy. Please, if you have not have not subscribed to my YouTube channel up to now, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel, like, drop a comment in the comment section, share to your friends and loved ones. So after I've done that, after I've used the hand dryer, the next thing I do is my rosemary oil. This one, I bought it from a shop here in my city. I was fortunate to see, because that shop, it's not like a shop that you see this thing today, then tomorrow you come and see it. No, it's like, in Cameroon they say okrika, yeah, but they sell original things, but they don't, those things, they just come and disappear, come and disappear. So that's how I've realized that the shop is. As I just used to call it like okrika shop, but it's not second hand, they're original things, but they come and go. So after that, you apply it into your scalp, then you massage it very well. After I've massaged it very well, then I can now use my normal hair oil that I use for my hair. You see me what I'm doing. I put it into my scalp. I did not show all the steps because it would have taken too long. Put it in your scalp and you massage very well. With this rosemary, especially this oil and the rosemary water, it even makes your hair soft, as in really soft, that when you're combing it, you don't stress, you don't feel pain. It's really good. It really helps to protect it helps your hair to be soft when you're combing it. It helps your hair to grow fast. It helps your hair to be thick. Those are the advantages of this water and this oil. They are really good. If you can use both of them, or you do your own rosemary oil, as I've done this water, it will be good for you. It's just I didn't have time to do the oil. So as I saw that oil, I bought it because I've been using the water alone. So this is what the other oil I used to use. It's so moisturizing, Dax. I've been using Dax for like since 2009 up to today. That's 16 years. Yeah, going to 16 years that I've been using that, and it's really good. It makes my hair soft and moisturized. This is the best hair oil that I've ever used. I've never changed it. Before, I used to use the green one, but when I went to the shop, I did not see it, so I went for this one. This one is also very good. They perform the same function, so I really like it. This is what I want, the tips I wanted to give you on how to do your rosemary oil, your rosemary water, and also how I use it on my hair, what also other things I use to make my hair grow faster, soft, and it doesn't break. It helps also. I don't have dandruff on my hair. I don't suffer from dandruff because I use natural things. This natural oil, this oil, even this Dax, is very, very good oil. That is why I can recommend you to use Dax if you have been looking for what to use. So at this moment, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for my old subscribers. Thank you for returning again. For the new subscribers, you're welcome, and may God bless you. I love you all for always tuning in to my channel to watch what I do here. May God bless you for supporting me, helping me to grow my channel. I say God bless you, and stay tuned for my next update, next video that will be coming up. I don't want to say the title, but you watch what I will do next, what is coming up next. So I want to say thank you so much. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.